Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Giselle's the best,
let's
guys.
pause the music.
Okay.
We were getting a little turnt in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kat.
Hi.
This is my coworker Kat. She's actually going to Coachella this weekend. I know we missed first Coachella weekend, but it's okay. We still have second weekend, and I believe EDC is coming soon, right? EDC's in a couple weeks. So yeah, I created this festival inspired look on Kat, and yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching.
Subscribe.
Is she gonna be at the?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Close. So right now I'm just priming her lids.
Prime that lid.
Prime that lid. It's been a while since I've like done makeup on somebody else.
Really? A while, meaning like last weekend?
Like, when did I do makeup? Yeah, probably for like my birthday. I did my mom's makeup, so that was probably like 3 weeks ago.
Wow, that's true. It's going. That's
So,
crazy. Time is just going, dude.
It's crazy. All
Today
right.
it's gonna be May.
Let's just
April
do
showers bring May flowers.
Guys, Kat should have
It's gonna be May.
Kat should have a YouTube channel, guys. Yes.
Hey.
Okay, so we're gonna be using "Take Me to Brazil"
Okay.
palette by BH Cosmetics.
Screw Coachella. Go to Brazil.
Just go. Low key. That's one of like my
Low-key.
dream places. We're gonna dip into this yellow. We're not sure what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna go with it.
I never had yellow before.
No,
Ever. Never ever.
you just popped your yellow cherry.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, good. No, just kidding.
This like burnt orange and a Morphe M514. I'm just gonna dip it
Oh, we
to
should.
her crease. What's that?
Should we live stream this too? Or is that too
Oh
extra?
my gosh. It's because we would need. You know what? When I'm doing your other eye, we'll live stream it.
Dope.
Because then we need a camera person for that too. You know? Hey.
I know this, but I don't know this.
Oh, it's Russ.
Russ. I didn't know Russ was gonna be there.
The homie Russ. Is he gonna be there?
Uh-huh.
Oh shit.
I favorited 64 artists.
Oh shit. Hey. Hey. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Let's dip a little bit into red. Oh, okay. Let's dip into some red.
Ooh, I've never had red either. I've always wondered.
No peeking.
Oh, sorry.
Taking Tarte, Shape Tape, and a flat brush. We're gonna cut the crease.
There you go.
And I'm just gonna set it with any like nude powder. I
Yeah.
think gold would be cute.
I'm pulling my way in gold.
I'm gonna be taking LA Splash Till Midnight Elixir. This is my favorite glitter glue.
Oh.
So you put the glue first and then you put the glitter on top. Is this Eminem?
And he's gonna be there Sunday night.
Oh no.
I just noticed you don't do the foundation first.
No, because then I get like glitter all over the face.
I've always been doing it wrong, guys. I also have hair extensions I'm gonna put on.
Wow.
You like the clip-ons?
Oh yeah.
They're the real hair, so I have to like curl them.
Cute.
I want to get. I keep forgetting. I want to get like. I think it's at six. Where do I see it?
I'm taking Inglacha eyeliner and my Morphe M160 and 1/8. That's literally the name.
Wow.
You see the 1/8?
Wow.
Like, why you gotta be so complicated?
Just name it Brush.
Just name it eyeliner brush.
Eyeliner Brush. It's real good.
Alright. Lipstick's on. Okay, it's closed. This song is like making me nervous.
I know.
Really?
It's like a horror film.
Eyelashes I got in downtown LA. They are in number Wisp. WSP. Wisp.
Wisp.
Wisp. This is from Amazon. And the name is, can't read it.
Secure hold.
Secure hold. So you want to let it get a little tacky, so it's a lot easier to like fly in.
Oh, really?
And
I didn't know
what
that.
do they call it? What do planes do when they
And
arrive?
land.
And land. There you go.
You forgot the word land.
I forgot the word land. Okay, so you're gonna look down. Keep your eyes open. Yeah, open your eyes.
Oh, open.
Hello, open your eyes,
hello.
and then just look down. Don't close. Look down. Perfect. There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Smashbox Photo
hot.
Finish, and this has SPF 20 because I know Cap's gonna be out there in the woods.
In the
You
woods,
know,
in the desert.
In the desert.
Girl, what you talking about?
Girl, I'm thinking about like, I don't even know. So we don't want her to get sunburned, of course. So, you're such a cute nose. Thanks.
So what is this? This is
This is primer.
a primer.
Yeah, do you use primer?
No, girl.
Oh my. Okay. We're gonna go buy a primer after this for Kat.
Oh, really? I just never knew what it's for. It just seems so, like, superfluous, you know?
Okay.
SAT word.
Okay, vocabulary. This is LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation, and this is in the color Natural. That's foundation, and this is CoverGirl True Blend. And this is in the color Perfect Beige.
I like these lessons. I needed this.
Do you guys think I should do like a makeup class?
Oh, yeah.
Like I'll charge like $5
Yeah.
and I'll do it here in my
Yeah.
garage or something. And then we'll have like cocktails and like
Yeah, that'd be so fun.
and I'll have like a model and
Oh,
you
that'd be
know?
cute.
I've been thinking about it. Let me know if you will come.
That is so cute.
You know all these like
You
famous
can
makeup
charge
artists.
more than $5 too.
I know.
You're
But
worth it.
I guess just to try it out.
Especially if you're providing a little drink.
True.
That's so cute. I've never heard of that.
Right?
Like kind of like the painting and drinking wine, but what if it's
Oh,
makeup and cocktails? That's so cute.
I'm going to be using the Milani concealer, and this is in medium light. There we go. Yeah, but I don't know if you've heard of like these famous makeup artists that have like seminars, and they'll charge like, they call it like a makeup seminar, and they charge like $150 or like $300. And then like you go and then they teach you about makeup or whatever. But it's because some of them like give you the certification at the end.
Oh,
obviously. So
Are you gonna try to do that?
Oh, I don't think I can. Cause I'm not like. I think if I do it, it would just be for fun. It wouldn't be for like, hey, come and then I'm gonna like certify you. You know, like I can't.
No, I mean, can you do that, like get your or do you already have your certification?
I actually don't.
Yeah. Are you thinking about doing that?
I want to, but then at the same time, it's like, is it really worth the $2,500?
Oh, that's how much
or
it'll
like
ultimately be?
to go to school and stuff. I don't know. I'm thinking about it, maybe to expand the knowledge a little bit more.
But ultimately, it doesn't matter to have certification unless
it doesn't really matter unless it's like I'm trying to work for like
a company.
Exactly. I'm gonna be using the RC Amino color powder, and this is just to set her whole face. Looks like cocaine. I got it all over your jacket. Sorry, it comes off.
Dun, dun, dun,
dun, dun. Don't wear black when you do this. Okay, Pepper Cat's gonna do that, and then we'll be back with a little bit of black and an angled brush. Look up. I had Kat put a little bit of black eyeliner in her waterline to make her eyes kind of pop a little bit more, and I'm just gonna set it with some black shadow a little bit. I'm gonna take orange. The orange we use in the top, and we're just going to blend that into the bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow. Okay. For my inner corner highlight, I'm just taking this shade from the Morphe 25A palette. This is my favorite inner corner highlight. To bronze, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Kit. Just going to do a little bit of carving of the cheeks. Oh, okay. Taking NYX Bright Idea cream. I'm just going to draw that. Yeah. Okay. And a little bit down the nose. Yeah. I look that way. And I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers because I have a lot more control that way. So, Kat's back. I did her hair.
Yeah, she
did. Two little cute pigtails. I'm sorry, my camera overheated and it like shut off, but we're back. We're here. We're ready. And I applied on top of her NYX cream. Is that this one? Yeah, on top of her NYX cream, I just applied Fenty Beauty and Hustle Baby. I'm going to take this e.l.f. like cream and it's turquoise twilight. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to just going to apply that on top. And I'm going to actually bring it up here a little bit. And I'm going to apply this craft glitter just on top. Do the same on the other side. For the jewels, I just got these at Dollar King, and we're just going to be placing them like everywhere. And I'm going to be using this glue. Yeah, just eyelash glue. I'm just going to be placing it in like different spots and just, you know, hope for the best here.
I really don't want to take this off.
Oh.
The titties. Where'd it go?
Okay, I'll grab another one.
Oh, literally in there somewhere.
You're gonna find it like at Coachella, like. Nice.
Okay.
Gotcha. Go. We're gonna go in with NYX Liquid Suede, and this is in the color 01. Oh, Stone Fox. close? Yeah. Last step, you guys, is just setting spray, and this is Makeup Forever. Close. Alright guys, this is the final look. Can we just take a moment, please? Kat is an actor. She dances, she sings, she does it all. I will leave her Instagram down below.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes,
thank you, Kat,
she's
for coming on. I think this is the first time I bring someone on my channel. Well, I've done vlogs,
Yeah.
but this is like the first time that
Wow.
somebody is like, and I'm like, okay. But yeah. Anyways,
All right.
hey,
I gotta go to Coachella.
Okay, so before you leave, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.